Good morning, lovelies. Ready to glow up with me today? Let's get this day started. And I've got some amazing new products to show you. First things first, gotta wake up this face, but hold on. Let's make sure it's as fresh as possible with my new favorite face wash from Nutribs. It's packed with tulsi, ashwagandha, haldi and green tea, which help reduce acne, firm the skin and protect it from damage. Okay, so after that refreshing cleanse, it's time to pamper my skin with this luxurious face serum. It's enriched with neem leaf oil, which has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, plus lemon and amla. And of course, we can't forget about sunscreen. This is the first line of defense against harmful UV rays. It's infused with aloe vera, green tea and almond oil to nourish and soothe your skin. And that's my quick, easy and super effective morning routine with these fab products. Thank you. See you next time, beauties.